Hello, coming to you from the beautiful Berry. Now, our technology is lacking a bit today, so I apologise for that. It's wet as a shag. It's been extreme heat for 3 days, and now it's wet, so go figure. But other than that, the town is a beautiful place to be. A lot of the locals have been here for forever and a day. Went to the Australia Day function yesterday, and talking to the locals, they just love the tight-knit community. They get a lot of visitors from Sydney. It's a really trendy place to be. Plenty of fashion, beautiful coffee and food and everything else. Now, what's happened from a property perspective is it's very, again, landlocked and restricted as to what you can build. Behind me, there's some townhouses that were built about 12 months ago. There's 6 of them. They all sold for about $950,000. So that gives you an idea as to what the market's doing and the price of real estate in Berry itself. So we're about 20 minutes from Kiama. And again, the south coast is just a beautiful place to be. From an infrastructure point of view, to the left of me was a freeway or a bypass that's been put in about 5 years ago. Now, what that did was actually a positive for Berry. Sometimes it can be a negative. What can happen is towns can turn into ghost towns because no one needs to visit anymore. It's actually done the opposite, because instead of it being crowded with cars going through and being a nightmare to be in, it's actually been a more of a quiet destination town instead of all the traffic going through. So it's actually been a positive for Berry in that sense, which is quite unusual. So that's what's happening here in Berry. Behind me, we've got a kids' playground being upgraded and newly built with a pump track and skate park, etc. So that's about what's happening in Berry from that point of view. But all in all, a beautiful place to be. We're heading south today. We're not really sure where, but that's the nature of our trip. So hope you're enjoying the videos, and we'll chat soon.